We just got to the park and it is packed. There are so many cars here. Good morning, everyone. I am getting a bit of a late start to my day. It is 11:44 a.m. I haven't eaten yet, and that's because I just took Luna out and I slept in pretty late. I am about to make myself a smoothie for breakfast. I ended up getting some new frozen fruit. It's a mango berry blend with blueberries, mangoes, and strawberries, so I'm super excited to try this out. Do you want a smoothie, Luna? So here's what we have. Super easy 3-ingredient smoothie. We have the frozen fruit, organic lactose-free milk, and standard whey protein. But I want to make a smaller smoothie this morning, so I'm only gonna do half a scoop of the whey protein. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, that's different. But that still tastes so good. I'm really happy with how that turned out. All right, Miss Luna, we have a video to upload within the next 5 minutes. Oh, big stretch. It's now 11:58 a.m. and I always try to upload videos to my channel around noon US Central Time. This is just to keep my channel consistent. And today we are uploading this video, and you guys, this actually ended up being one of my favorite videos that I've uploaded yet. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I will put a link to it in the description box below. And we are now live. Immediately after I upload a video, I make sure to share it on my Instagram, and if you guys aren't following me there, you can find me at JettingJulia. It's the same as my YouTube name. And then I usually try to spend the first hour or two replying to every single comment, and then I usually take a break and come back later to reply to even more comments. Every day around 1 o'clock, Luna knows that it's time to go to the park, so she starts getting really excited and she grabs her Frisbee. And are you ready to go? You wanna go play at the park?
Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
The park that I'm taking Luna to today is different from the usual park that we go to, but I have taken her here once before. I'm really hoping that it's still open. I'm having a really hard time going online and figuring out like which parks are actually open and which ones are closed, but it's 82 degrees out, so the asphalt is really warm, so we're going to drive to this park, and if it's closed, then we'll end up just driving to the usual park that we go to.
With you and I, the future is bright.
We just got to the park and it is packed. There are so many cars here. I mean, I guess it is a Sunday afternoon, but I was not expecting there to be this many people here. All right, come on out. Good girl.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Oh dang, Luna, we can't go over this bridge. It's like we're getting close to like a nature center, but we can't actually go over this bridge. This is so beautiful though.
Side by side and through. No limit to what.
All right, Luna, no bridge for us. Let's go. All right, come on. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's an ice cream truck. I haven't seen an ice cream truck in years. This park is awesome, and there's a nice bike trail, and it looks like there's plenty of people out on bikes today.
What we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
Hey, out of the puddle. And now your Frisbee's soaking wet because it's in the puddle. Ew, Luna. Oh my gosh, you're gonna need a bath maybe. Look at all of this. Dang, Luna, you are just meant to be in water, huh? And I'm thinking it's definitely time for a new Frisbee soon. This thing is disgusting. Luna's running away from me because I held up her leash and she knows it's time to go. She always does this. She'll like run away from me and then she'll go and lay down. She'll find a spot to just lay down and chill. Of course, I was hoping the grass would be dry out here, and it's completely not. She's so dirty now.
It's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I know, baby, it is so hot. Let's get some AC blasting in here. AC is on, and let's max this out for Luna. Hopefully you can feel some of that air. It is so hot. Back from the park now, and I am so hungry. Eric made us some mahi-mahi for lunch, and we're watching Before the 90 Days. It's a spin-off show from 90 Day Fiancé. I decided to make my mahi-mahi into a little wrap, so I just have a wheat tortilla wrap, the mahi-mahi, lettuce, and cheese. Eric is making us our own pizza, and he made this, what is it called, kneading the dough? I'm gonna try to knead the dough now.
And I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby.
So our pizza dough has been rising for about 2 hours now, and it is huge. Oh my goodness. Just plopped right down.
Mm-hmm. Knead it and then put it in the portion size.
Trying to copy you. Yeah, what you're
I don't
doing.
know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make a ball.
Well, pizza dough ball.
Mm-hmm.
You're too tall for the camera. You did too, I did too.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thanks. Hand-eye coordination.
You haven't caught a single thing I've ever thrown to you, ever.
Oh, and you dropped it, and you made fun of me, then I was gonna drop it. 4 little pizzas.
Take a little olive oil into each of these. These will be dinners for another time.
These are our 2 little pizza dough balls for tonight. Eric and I are making our pizzas right now, and I have my dough ready right here. I have some pepperonis right here. Yes, we are those people who like pineapple on our pizza. And I think the pizza sauce is over there and the cheese is over there. So I'm gonna add all that to my pizza and then get them in the oven. And Eric is making his pizza in the cast iron as a deep dish pizza. Look out, Luna. Oh my gosh, it's ballooning.
I think it needs a little longer.
Yeah, I'd say a few more minutes for both of ours. My pizza is done, and it looks like it ballooned up a little bit. I think it looks so good though. Yeah, I think you took that out at the perfect time because it's just a little brown by the crust. I made a fluffy pizza. I have my first bite of my pizza. This is so good. Try it. Yeah, try a bite. This is like the best pizza we've ever made.
No, it's really good.
I'm so impressed. Luna, I bet you want some too, huh?
I don't think mine's gonna be as good.
Eric's is a deep dish.
I never made a deep dish.
Is it good?
Mine's really good too, yeah.
So funny because we've both been to Chicago before, but we've never had deep dish pizza in Chicago. Oh, no. No, you don't get to have toilet paper. Toilet paper is a commodity right now, Luna. No, give it back. Drop it. Drop it. Thank you. There's something else I was gonna say, Luna, and now I can't remember what it is. Oh, now you're peeing in the puddle. Nice.
I don't think you gotta explain it. Just say we're watching.
Yeah. I'm not not good at this.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Why do you do that?
Because I'm fun. That's my hand-eye coordination.